For those who need to organize a multitude of documents, notes, PDFs, and research papers, there are usually only two choices: Devonthink and Obsidian. They are great tools, but they address different issues. So the question of the better one really depends on your needs. Let's talk about their core philosophies. For Devonthink, it is an application designed for the professional management of documents and information. It operates exclusively on macOS and iOS and offers local database based storage of files, tagging, smart grouping, annotation, and full text research within scanned documents using its own OCR. Besides, it can even store archived emails and integrate with macOS using Apple Script and native workflows. Devonthink uses AI technology to help you find connections in between thousands of random documents. On the contrary, Obsidian is a note taking application based on Markdown format and stores its data in plain text format. This provides it with high scalability and independence from any particular platform or software, since you may continue working on Obsidian with other applications of your choice. The unique features of Obsidian include bidirectional linking, graph view functionality, and an enormous range of community built plugins. So, the main differences in workflow: in case of the management of many documents, it is best to choose Devonthink, as this application is designed to handle big volumes of data such as PDF files, images, and web archives in fast and smooth ways. Obsidian, in its turn, is preferable if you need an easy way to create notes, link concepts together, and have the ability to do so in different operating systems. Another point of difference is the pricing of each program. Devonthink applies one-time payment. Standard costs $99. Pro costs $199. It is $99 plus OCR and email archiving. For server, it costs $499. It is $99 plus web access for multiple users. Obsidian provides its main functionality for free. It gives the possibility to subscribe to additional services. Obsidian Sync is for encrypting and synchronizing data. Obsidian Publish is for publishing a website from your notes, and commercial license is used by a company employing at least two people. For those who need a real document management solution for Mac with strong OCR, great automation capabilities, and long term archiving options for cold data, Devonthink would be a better choice. Otherwise, a flexible and efficient note taking tool for active thinking and creative writing would be Obsidian. In other words, Devonthink is safe, while Obsidian is the network. If you're dealing with lots of documents in your workflow, Devonthink should be your choice. Otherwise, go for Obsidian.